Hey, well, good day, guys. Welcome back to Jungle Hop Guy on YouTube. Today I'm in Florence, Alabama, and Pinky is really distracted. And we are down here in Wildwood Park. There is the sun slowly going down. It's about 3:45 on Sunday, November the 23rd, as of this vlog, 2025. Up there's Eode Road, And look at how clean the trees are. It's beautiful down here, man. Tis great. Lots of crunchies. Lots of crunchies. But from this spot right here, I cannot see the Tennessee rivers. Or, well, now as I have learned, it's Cypress Creek. So we're going to take a little hike and just take in on what we can, man. A peace and love, everybody out there in YouTube land. So what about it? It's a beautiful afternoon down here at Wildwood Park in Florence, Alabama on Sunday, November the 23rd. A beautiful afternoon. Do not need a jacket. This is a hoodie-free zone. Brought to you by Mother Nature. It is great to be out here. It is wonderful. Nice, slight, cool breeze. And you can see all the color, the contrast. Let's pull over here because it's a popular park and there's a lot more going on. You guys can see over the top there, over the contrast, right there at the camera's angle. It is beautiful. A wonderful afternoon to be on a hike with the Pinky baby dude. Brought the pooch, as you do when you are in the park. So, everybody getting their Sunday evening hike on. Look, guys. Hello. Hey. Hello. Anyone in there? I don't know. I don't see anybody. I'm not going to knock. I don't want them to peck me in the head. Oh, that's not good. That's not good bird love. Yeah, the sun just dropped down back behind the houses there, guys. You see, there's that stucco mansion I want to buy when I get famous as a rock and roll star. That's what I'm going to buy. I'm going to hold parties out there on the balcony. Sing Beatles songs to all the trees and the birds. And the birds and the bees. It is great out here, man. Look at how nice it is. All the trees. They're all kind of stripped down clean now, and there's plenty of crunchy to go around. Woohoo! And just right where you can see the color contrast breaks from green to gray. That's right where the Tennessee River is. Well, okay, I guess logistically it would be a piece of the Tennessee River, but it's actually called Cypress Creek. I bet you there's partying going on down there. Pink? No. We're not knocking on the doors. This is their neighborhood. You come down here with love and respect and honor to all of Mother Nature's beautiful givings and the celebrations. See if I can grab a little bit of water over here. Do we have creekage? No, but I do see a little bit of water over there. Yep, in the background, guys. Yeah, I can see that shiny spot. Yeah, right there in the center of the screen. Yeah, that's where the Cypress Creek is at. This is beautiful. Just having a great time. Pink. Let's go for another walk, honey. Woohoo! And this is your typical, I don't know, Sleepy Hollow walk, I would call it. Because it's totally, canopied. Canopied? I don't know. I'm just making up words. With all the trees. And here's a little, the first step man made a walkabout. It is crunch free. Slightly. A slight crunch. Oh boy, it says, ooh, I hear a little bit of splashage. Do we have splashage? Oh, okay. Yeah, there's some water over there. Oh yeah, there is water over there. Cool. Yeah, okay. Yeah, there's some runoff over there. Here's a little post-it. Let's go see what the post-it says. Is it the same one? Yeah. Let's see. Welcome to Wildwood Park. The improvement of this site was financed in part through a grant from the Recreational Trails Programs and the Alabama Department of Economic Community Affairs. Oh, yeah, well, thank you very much. And I guess that's where you're supposed to sign in at the guard post. Got it right there. That's the guard post right there. This is beautiful. Let's go see it, guys. Oh, okay, that's where the water's running off. We'll go above it. Okay. A nice visual. See if we can catch any locals down here. Frogs and turtles and minnows. And maybe a snake or so. No, I don't see anybody. It sure is a beautiful sound. Oh. And then there's the pinky baby dad. Alright guys, peace and love, man. Thanks for checking out Jungle Hop Guy on YouTube. I greatly appreciate it. Can't do it without you guys, man. I greatly appreciate you guys subscribing and liking and viewing and sharing and leaving the comments. It's a beautiful fall day, so this is the kind of afternoon I wanted to share with the pinky baby in Wildwood Park in Florence, Alabama. just west of the University of Northern Alabama. You could easily walk from here to the university if you wanted to. It's great here, guys. So we're going to go out with the swoosh. All right, guys. Thanks a lot. And have a blessed day.